It's a 2016 Chevrolet Cruze. Create your own finish line in this comfortable, quiet, and fuel-efficient Cruze. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, OnStar remote link, manual telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. From the Wall Street Journal, as adapted for the U.S. market, the Cruze is mad for safety with standard equipment 10 standard airbags, rollover sensor, stability control, pre-tensioning front seat belts, and automatic headlamps. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.